What's for lunch? That American classic, the grilled cheese sandwich, and I am cooking it up in a Curtis Stone pan. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less gas in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am making lunch, and I thought I'd like to have a grilled cheese sandwich. And I decided that this would be the perfect opportunity to continue to test out my Curtis Stone pans. And I thought today I would use the crepe pan. I don't make a lot of crepes, but I do make a lot of pancakes and a lot of grilled cheese sandwiches. So I thought, let's just see how well that pan works on that American classic, the grilled cheese sandwich. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I make videos about topics that relate to managing a household and product reviews that relate to things you would use around the house all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link some of my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's jump into the video. And this is the thing, with these pans, you're not supposed to have to use a lot of oil. So I'm going to just try and see how it works out if I just butter the bread and put the bread on the pan that way. My husband bought this generic wheat bread. I usually buy brown berry, 15 grain, or some kind of fancy bread, but he was saving money this particular day and bought this, we'll just say generic wheat bread. Well, it holds 2 pieces of bread just fine. Let's turn this down a little bit so I don't burn up the butter. Maybe I will go ahead and make 2. I'll just put the other piece of bread on top and then flip it when the time comes. Got them stuck together. These are cooking pretty fast. Well, it worked out pretty good for these grilled cheeses. The pan seemed to heat them evenly. It heated up quickly. So far, so good. Okay, so now let's talk about some particulars associated with this pan. First of all, you see the special coating that the Curtis Stone pans are known for. And you can use little oil to no oil, and the nice thing about it is that the food almost slides right off the pan. You can see how the handle is riveted to the pan itself. And then take a look at the back. They've got these little discs in the center and then more of a smooth outer rim that really makes it sit nicely on the top of my glass top stove. One of the things that I'm very concerned about is cookware scratching up the top of my glass top stove, and these pans don't do that. I like the way the handle feels in my hand. I can get a good grip on it, and it just works really well. And of course, it's red, and so I love the color, but I just really love the way this pan is designed, and it's certainly cooked up my grilled cheese sandwich with no trouble at all. And I've used it several times, and the handle has not become loose. It just really did a very nice job all the way around. Another nice thing about this pan is that it washes up so easily. I usually hand wash mine. I just used a simple sponge and dishwashing liquid. So if I ever get any grease or oil that's cooked on that I can't get off, then I'll just use a scouring pad such as this to kind of scrub the edges, and that takes care of it. And I always make sure I dry the pan well when I'm done. Now here's my question for you. How do you make your grilled cheese sandwiches? Do you use different kinds of cheese or what? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.